In this question, we're going to solve this log equation, log base 2 of 14 minus x, this is equal to 5. So how can we solve an equation where the x is inside of the log? Let's take a quick review right here. Whenever we are trying to solve a log equation, make sure we just have one single log on the left-hand side, log base b of x. And then on the right-hand side, we can have any number that we want. If this is the situation, then what we do is we pretend these two are our exponents, and then we look at the base for the log, which is b. We will do b to the power and then b to the power. And then we end up with this b and that log base b will cancel. We will just have x is equal to b to whatever the number that we have right here, power. So in our situation here, we just have one single log. That's great, log base 2. So the base right here is 2. We will just pretend these two sides are our exponents, and then we do 2 to the power, and then we also do 2 to this power, okay? This way, this 2 and log base 2 cancel each other out, and then we will have 14 minus x, and this will be 2 to the 5th power, and let me just emphasize that right here. Well, you see, this is actually just a regular equation now, but then you see we must change the log equation into exponential form first. This will be 14 minus x, and if we worked out 2 to the 5th power, meaning we do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then we will get 32 for that, okay? And then we will just solve for x the regular way. That's minus 14 on both sides. This and that will cancel, and then we will have negative x. This will be 32 minus 14. That will give us positive 18. This is negative x. We don't want that. Let's divide both sides by negative 1. So that we actually will end up with positive x. Then we will have positive x. It's equal to negative 18, right? Because 18 divided by negative 1, that's negative 18. All right, so now we have to see if this is the answer or not. X is negative 18. In fact, this will work because let me just plug in and check it for you guys. When we plug in negative 18 into the original equation, this x, we will have log base 2, and then this is 14. And then we have this minus from the question, right? And let me open the parentheses for this x, which we know it will be negative 18. Let me put it down right here. And then just close this parentheses, and is this equal to 5? Okay, so I'm just checking it, and we will have log base 2. This is what? 14 minus negative 18. It becomes 14 plus 18, and that will be positive 32. And you see that we have a positive value inside, which is legitimate, right? We have log base 2 of 32. And in fact, this will be 5. This works, okay? So even though we end up with x is equal to a negative value, but then when we plug in this x value into the original, just like how we did it right here, the inside still is positive. That means it will work. That's it. This right here is the answer.